What a cracking little phone. Hi guys, welcome back to Geeky Stuff. Today I have the Xiaomi Mi A2 smartphone, a budget to mid-range smartphone with Snapdragon 660, Android 8.1, and the Mi A2 is part of the Android One range. This is the slightly cheaper version, the 4GB and 64GB version. There is the 6GB and 128GB version, so obviously you're going to pay a little bit more for that. It's a 6-inch smartphone, 2160 by 1080p, Corning Gorilla Glass 3, and an IPS panel. So let's have a look inside. Comes with a user guide, USB Type-C connector to 3.5mm socket for headphones, and a SIM tray ejector tool. Also comes with a silicone case. A black see-through silicone case. They keep your phones protected, but they make it look ugly. So I never have any cases, which I probably should have, because I probably wouldn't have cracked my Pixel. Now we have the Mi A2. How's this getting out? Okay. Put it to one side. USB Type-C charging cable. Just a basic 5V 2A charging block. So it's not fast charging. The battery is 3010 milliamps. So it's not a huge battery, so it should be interesting to see how optimized the phone is. I've not had many Xiaomi devices, but this feels terrific. I don't use that word that often either. This feels amazing. Amazingly thin as well, really thin. I mean, it's got a relatively small battery compared to other smartphones. Nice matte black finish. Peel that off. Beautiful finish on the back. Fingerprint sensor. The dual rear camera, which is quite chunky, really. It sticks out quite a fair bit, and I've seen videos online of people testing this out, but doesn't sit flush on the table, obviously, or any surface. This feels so smooth. Yeah, I cannot stress enough to how beautiful it feels. So I think there's a slight curve as well, but it feels really nice. A little bit slippery. So a power button and a volume rocker up and down. Top there looks like an IR blaster, and a microphone pinhole on the side there, a SIM tray. At the bottom, USB Type-C and speaker grill. I can't get over how thin this is. So Corning Gorilla Glass 3, an IPS panel. I love it. It feels great. It really, really does. Clicky buttons. They're not loose or wobbly though. Let's turn it on. Android One. So the front-facing camera is there, 20 megapixel. The dual rear is 12 and 20, and I'm assuming these are going to work really well. Okay, let me go ahead and set this up. Okay, I'm back. It's all set up, and very impressed with the Mi A2. Beautiful IPS panel with very good viewing angles. Yeah, really nice display. Bezels on the edge, quite narrow. Bottom and top, sort of average, aren't they? I mean, it's 18:9 aspect ratio, 2160 by 1080p. But look at these non-existent apps. That's all you get. No bloatware. It's just stock Android. You get a little feedback app there, look, to send feedback, and that's it. Navigation bar at the bottom. You cannot hide that or collapse it. There is an update. There is an Android update. This is a August 2018 security update from Google, which is good. Very, very impressed so far. Pinch to zoom and fill screen. Yep, that's good. So we have now the benefit of full 18:9 aspect ratio. Let's see what we're getting here. It's only 360p. Let's put it to 1080 if my Wi-Fi connection allows it. It's not liking it, is it? There we go. Yeah, that looks good. That's maximum brightness as well. Wow, that is loud. And you can certainly block the sound off. Let's listen to some royalty-free music for that. The amount of YouTubers that play this same song. That is very loud. And you can cut the sound off quite well. That is a great little loudspeaker and such a, such a thin smartphone. That loudspeaker's got quite a bit of punch, very, very loud, and just a little subtle bit of low end, which is very, very nice. Let's get to the camera. Now there's flickering because of these artificial lights. If I turn that off, there's still a bit more flickering. So please bear that in mind when I'm doing my testing. So low light conditions, that's focused. Click, lovely little click. Let's try portrait mode. So let's put that at the back so we can really, you can notice the depth effect. Here we go. Yeah, looks pretty good, that does. Pretty good indeed. Let's switch to front-facing camera. Oh, okay, so we're in portrait mode straight away. You can see a few soft edges. Might be a bit difficult because of the camera. Which is it gonna? Let's just do one here. So I'm not in the main camera. Here we go. It looks great on here. That is not bad at all. Let's switch to video mode while we're in front-facing. 1080p. Okay, video mode on the Xiaomi Mi A2 on front-facing camera. So look at that camera, and then my face. It's looking pretty good, I must say. What do you guys think? And sound quality as well. Is sound quality any good? Okay, video mode. It's quite zoomed in there. It's quite what settings we've got here? Time-lapse setting, slow motion. Can record in 4K. I'll test that for my review there. There's image stabilization. Okay. Let's try. Here we go. Here we go. Rear facing camera on the Xiaomi Mi A2 testing video. The quality, audio quality, and stabilization. Is it stable? It looks a little shaky as I'm moving it. Okay, that is it. I think this pretty much concludes the unboxing and a quick look and test of the Xiaomi Mi A2. First impressions are, it feels like a premium device. I absolutely love this matte black finish, smooth. One of the best things about it at the moment. I'm not a big fan of the chunky stuck out dual camera, but the performance at the moment for a mid-range, budget mid-range smartphone looks great. Snapdragon 660, 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigabytes of storage, and looks like a very rapid fingerprint sensor as well. Yeah, very, very good. Seems very, very snappy. Can't wait to fully review it and bring back the results in, say, 4 to 5 days. As always, a full, honest review. This will basically be my phone now for the next 4 to 5 days. So guys, I'll include the link in the description below if you want to take a look. I think there's a slight bit of money off at the moment for the Mi A2. This is the cheaper version because it's only 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigabytes of storage. But definitely take a look, guys. Any questions, please comment below. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.